What are you guys charging, or what are you guys averaging? Do you guys
So
8 hours? Do you guys what's kind of the model there as far
yeah,
as?
so we charge an hourly rate, like very similar to home care. So ours is $15 to $18 an hour.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
Yeah, it's not
So
like,
which is
it's not bad at
which
all.
is no, I mean, so when you think about like our assisted living or our home care agency is $30 an hour, we'll probably be like 35 in the next in the next year, and then I'm pretty sure by 2025 every home care agency will probably be at least 40 to $50 an hour, and it's like, can middle America afford that?
Right.
You know, so if there's 16% of the population on Medicaid, duly enrolled 65 and up, you know, then that means there's like 84% of that population left that like is private pay. Okay, so you got the top 10% that they can afford whatever they want, you know, like 40, $50 an hour home care, that's no big deal. They don't even think twice about it. But then you have that like middle 70, 74%, what about them, you know? Like, can they afford $50 an hour home care? And if not, what other options are available to them?
Exactly.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.